have a shirt on underneath for the video preview, but I plan on wearing no shirt underneath. Hello, 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 my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. And as you all know by the title, today I'm bringing you guys a SHEIN haul. I personally love SHEIN. They are hit or miss, so you do have to read the reviews. But a lot of my friends always ask me, is their quality good? Is it true to size? Do you actually like them? So I wanted to give you guys a video to show you, yes, I actually like them. I use my own money and shop on SHEIN all the time. So I'm gonna share with you some pieces in a two-part haul. So for all of you that are not subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you guys are aware when I post the second part to this haul. But enough of that, let's get started. So bell bottoms are definitely back in. I never bought jeans on SHEIN. This is actually my first time and I'm pleasantly surprised. I do love these pants. This is how the bottom looks. It's frayed at the ends. And it's a super wide bell bottom. So when I'm standing on the ground, it's tall girl friendly. I am 5'9" and it does touch the floor. When I'm standing on my tippy toes, as if I were wearing heels, it still touches the floor. So I definitely can appreciate that. They have a win with me. It is a jegging type material, so it's not very forgiving in the front area. You know, if it's that time of the month or you're a little bit bloated. So just be cautious of that. But it does have pockets in the back, which I love. It zips up it zips up on the side, and it also clamps or has a clasp on the side, which I like because sometimes the zipper can come down, you know, too much jelly. Because it's so stretchy, you actually might be able to get away with sizing down. I mean, I'm a little iffy with doing that, especially online, but SHEIN does offer free returns, so I guess it doesn't hurt if you want to try it out and size down. However, I love these. Next is the blazer. It's a caramel colored blazer and the material is a little bit on the thinner side. I mean, you do pay for what you get. I got this blazer in a size large. It has one button in the front, so you're able to button it if you choose. And I love that it has pockets. I think every blazer should have pockets. I like that it's a little bit oversized. That look is really in, so you can wear it with a crop top, for instance, how I have it here in the preview. Or you can cinch it in the waist and have it more form-fitting. Totally up to you, but very versatile. I also like that it doesn't have any shoulder pads in it. I love blazers that don't have shoulder pads. I'm already very broad. I don't need you making me look like an extra wide football player when I already kind of got the football thing going on. Like, come on. Every girl needs to have this color blazer in their closet. So if you don't have one, you need to go to SHEIN and click the link down below and order one. Next is a little bodysuit that I got. I'm so obsessed with this lime color. I'm so glad that it's still in. We missed out on our spring, but hopefully we'll get our summer. So I can wear this in the summertime. It clips on the bottom. I like that it has two straps on it, so it's kind of like a dual strap thing going on. It was a nice little detail. The material is super duper stretchy, so you actually can size down if you'd like on this. I got this shirt in a size large, but I can tell you right now, a medium would have been just fine. It is a longer bodysuit, so I don't know if any of you guys have this problem, but some bodysuits that I put on, it's like way too short in the torso area, so I find myself not actually clipping the bottom of the bodysuit and just kind of tucking it in like a regular shirt, which defeats the purpose of a bodysuit. Next! So this blazer out of the three is definitely on the thin side. However, because it's so oversized, I mean, I got it in a large, but literally you can fit like 5 people in this thing. It does have shoulder pad situation going on, but honestly, if I really wanted to, I can literally cut it out. I don't mind leaving it in though. It helps give it a little bit of structure because it's so oversized and like super boxy. You can wear this open if you want, but I mean, it's so boxy. Like, it has a button in the front, but it doesn't do anything because of how oversized it is. It's not like it helps bring in your waist. So you definitely, my suggestion would be to tie a belt around this, which is how I plan on wearing it. I have a shirt on underneath for the video preview, but I plan on wearing no shirt underneath and just wearing a belt around my waist. It did actually come with a belt. Wait, where's the belt? I don't know. I think I put it in the preview though. It came with a belt, but I don't like the belt. But I just wanted to show you in the preview how it would look if you were to tie a belt around it. I like that it's still oversized over the belt after you tie it. Like, I love that look, like the oversized baggy slash cinched in waist slash tomboy slash girly. This is actually not a really bad buy. It's not the thickest material, but it doesn't seem like you do one wash and it'll like disintegrate in your washing machine. So that's also a really good plus. Out of the 3 blazers that I got, the structure of this blazer is the best. It has lining on the inside. It's a very good thick material. Like, you're definitely getting your money's worth with this. However, this runs small. So I got this in a large and this fits me like damn near a small. Like it fits tight. It's tight on my arms. Like, I cannot do the chicken wing. It has shoulder pads in it, which I hate because they're very thick and it kind of like gives you less room for your like shoulders to move around, if you get me. And when I hold this up to the light, literally like you can see a square for a pocket. However, there's no pocket. Like, who does that? That is pure evil. Every blazer should have pockets. That's all I gotta say. So I don't know if I'll be keeping this, but I do love the color. I don't know. You know how sometimes people are just like, wear it one time? It's just so tight. I don't know. I mean, we're just gonna go on to the next item. Out of this first haul, this is my favorite top. I love this top so much. First of all, I love crop tops, but when they're like crop top sweaters and they're like overly baggy, I just love that. It's color blocked. It's giving me so much vintage vibes, like Martin. On the side, it says funny and sunny. Oh, that's cute. I actually never read that. I got this in a size large. And I don't know why they put 1685 on here. Like, who the hell is that old? I wish it was like 19, but it's okay. I mean, you can't really see it anyway. Overall, the top is really cute. It's a good material. It's thick, but not too thick. You can definitely wear this in the spring or summertime. Just nice. And I like that you can dress this up with some heels and you can also dress it down. You definitely need a piece like this in your closet. I love this shirt. First of all, I love anything that's flannel. So when you color block it with black, which I also love, you cannot go wrong. This is like the best of both worlds right here. I love this. I love that it buttons down in the front. It's an oversized shirt. I got it in a large. I love that it has pockets in the front. I love that you can wear it closed. You can wear it open with a crop top. You can tie it in the front. This is very versatile. And I love the color. This is so cute. If this is still up, you guys really need to go and get this. It's not thin at all. It's like a very good thick material. There's so many ways you can wear this. Oh, God. Love. Well, that was it. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was my first haul on my channel, so I'm actually really excited about it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down below which piece was your favorite, and let me know if you've had any success or failures with SHEIN. I mean, I've had a couple of failures that we don't need to talk about, okay? But I did have a lot of success. The thing with SHEIN is you have to read the reviews. You cannot just go on there and willy-nilly just buy shit. I mean, you can, but like, I wouldn't recommend it. So as long as you read the reviews and you see the pictures, you're pretty much golden. But as I said before, I'm making a part 2 and there's other pieces that I actually love. So please stay tuned for that. And otherwise, I will see you guys in the next one.